Welcome! In front of me I have ZTE Watch Live, and I'm gonna show you how to control the music on your phone with this watch. Before we start, if you want to control the music on your phone with this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Fit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now you can open some kind of music application on your phone. It could be Spotify, Tidal, whatever. I'm gonna use YouTube app. So I'm gonna open the YouTube app right here. As you can see, I have a playlist right here. And now if you want to control the music on your phone, you can wake up the screen on your watch by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the icon called player and tap on it. And here we can control the music on our phone. We can do a couple of things. We can tap on the play and pause button to start playing the music or pause it, like that. You can tap on the next button to skip to the next song. You can tap on previous button to go back to the previous song, like this. You can adjust the sound volume on your phone by swiping up or down repeatedly on the screen, right here in this player. Okay. And once you're done controlling the music on your phone, you can simply press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you control the music on your phone with this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.